Moving into the topic of this show, though, we're talking about the LiveU Solo, which I have right here. If we want to go to this camera real quick, Adam. So this is the LiveU Solo here. I have two Solo Connect modems in there as well, and I'm in a carrying case, but this is the product itself. It's a really, really great tool to use for live streaming on the go. You'll notice it's even built to hook onto a belt or a backpack so that you don't need to carry a lot of gear to get going on a really awesome shoot. What's also really cool about it is there's a lot of different ways to bring signals into the LiveU Solo so that you can stream on the go even without Wi-Fi. That makes this a really awesome tool for sports broadcasting, event coverage, like graduations are really popular at this time of year, school programs, maybe a concert. Yep, you're good point, Mr. Martin, and we are jumping right into that. Just got a comment on the side. Again, you can comment on the show, and we will answer you. So the LiveU Solo is available in two different formats. That comes in an HDMI or the LiveU Solo SDI. Now, these two options with the HDMI at $9.95, that's a really great encoder with an HDMI output that you can bring anywhere with you. As long as you have an HDMI connection to your camera, you're set to go. Then there's the LiveU Solo Premium encoder, and what that is it has the HDMI port and an SDI port to get you moving and have a variety of different ways to bring your camera feed into the show. And that item's gonna come in at $14.95. So that's $1,495. Really, really great addition to the unit to have that SDI port in there.